The Dom Luís Bridge is an iconic landmark in Porto, Portugal. Spanning the Douro River, this double-deck iron bridge connects the city centre with the Vila Nova de Gaia district. Its impressive architecture and stunning landscape make it a must-visit attraction for tourists. From a drone, filming the Dom Luís Bridge provides a unique and stunning view of its intricate structure and the picturesque landscapes that surround it. Aerial images show the majesty of the bridge as it curves gracefully over the river, creating a mesmerizing sight. The Dom Luís Bridge has become synonymous with Porto's identity and is often featured in postcards and travel brochures. Its distinctive arches and intricate lattice work make it a popular spot for photography enthusiasts. Whether you are interested in architecture, history, or simply want to soak in the charm of Porto, a visit to the Dom Luís Bridge should be on your itinerary. Its grandeur and significance make it an essential part of any trip to this vibrant Portuguese city.